In the fast-paced construction industry, even a short dip in sales can create big challenges. One business recently faced exactly that. A sudden drop in online sales threatened their growth. But with a strategic PPC plan, the story didn't end there. It took a turn for the better. The challenges were clear. They needed a marketing approach that truly understood their niche, could attract the right audiences, and convert them into paying customers. On top of that, they were aiming for consistent year-over-year growth and a recovery plan after a recent slump. We built a carefully mapped PPC strategy focusing on 3 key areas: optimization, flexibility, and data-driven decision-making. Updated PMax bidding. Lowering the target ROAS allowed the algorithm to explore additional opportunities and reach more potential customers. New smart bidding. Maximize conversion value added flexibility, especially when recent conversion data was limited. Paused low-converting ads. We focused on the ads that resonated with customers, highlighting their key pain points. Enhanced tracking. Implementing enhanced conversions added an extra layer of accuracy to measure results beyond traditional analytics. By fine-tuning these elements, we turned a reactive plan into a proactive growth engine. The results were impressive. In just 1 month, conversion volume increased by 15%, while conversion value surged by 74%. By the end of the month, projected sales were nearly $12,000, a dramatic improvement and a clear sign that the strategy worked. If your business is facing challenges in a competitive market, a smart PPC strategy can make all the difference. Let's craft a plan that drives real results and growth for your business, starting today.